Here we have a 2004 Lexus LS430, a flagship luxury sedan known for its smooth ride, quiet cabin, and timeless design. This LS has been well cared for and still delivers the comfort and presence Lexus is famous for. You'll find a spacious, refined interior with premium materials throughout. The LS430 offers exceptional comfort, a smooth, effortless driving experience, and legendary Lexus build quality that continues to hold up today. Under the hood, major maintenance has already been completed. The water pump and timing chain were replaced at 145,000 miles. Call or text 214-894-5420